How to fix Instagram cannot report account. So if you're trying to report a particular account within Instagram and if you're having issues with it, in this video let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now the first thing that you can straight away try out is try to clear out the app cache. If your application is having glitches right now, in these situations clearing out the app cache helps you out. So what you can do is just tap and hold the application of Instagram, head over to eye icon. If you're on an iOS device, you'll need to head over to your iPhone storage and then offload your application. From the settings page, head over to storage and then just tap on the clear cache or clear all data option. What this does is removes all of the corrupted files as well as it will log you out of your account. So once you complete this first step, try to see if you can now report your account after you have been logged into your account again. So if this first step does not work for you, then what you can do is just bypass the app glitch if the app is glitching right now. So what you can do is just use a web browser such as Google Chrome, either on your mobile device or on your laptop or desktop. So just log into your Instagram account using instagram.com and try to see if you can report the account. If you cannot report the account from the web version as well, this likely means that Instagram is down right now. So in this situation, you just need to wait out a few hours before the issue is fixed and before you can report the account again. So these are the few solutions that you can try out. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.